Hi, my name is Kimberly Moore. This is my sister Crystal and my sister Diana. Crystal is 12 years old and Diana is 9 years old and I'm 13 years old. Thank you to the Madison New Year Committee for having this event and thank you for all the supporters to coming out. Last but not least, I want to thank the judges for taking time out of your day to come judge. We will be singing and dancing to the Selena Disco Medley. Thank you.
But then I spent so many nights just thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And now you're back from outer space. Don't turn around now, cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I crumble, you think I lay down and die. Oh, no, 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 walk out the door. Don't turn around now, cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I crumble, you think I lay down and die. Oh, no, 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 I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my love to give. I will survive, I will survive. Hey, hey. Won't you take me to Funky Town? 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 Dance, the last dance for love. This is my last chance.